Hello and welcome back. This is Project Vegan. My name is Aleisha and this is where we bake vegan treats. However, we're not baking today. We're making vegan sauerkraut because I've never tried it. So let's get pickling. Alrighty, with me here I've got a slicer type thing, some crushed garlic, powdered oregano, powdered turmeric. It's supposed to be a quarter of a cabbage, but I'm a little bit short, and salt and pepper. We're going to start by finely slicing this thing. It still don't fit. That worked fast. I might have minced my... It's supposed to be nice long streaks, but I didn't do that good. Then you want to put all your cabbage into a bowl. Then you want to add in your garlic. Oh, mine doesn't look so happy. That's okay. Instead of 1 clove, I'm going to use a teaspoon of minced garlic, and I'm just going to use a pinch of turmeric. Give it a bit of yellow colour. Lots of cracked pepper, because I quite like pepper. And I'm going to mix it. Alright, to that I'm going to add half a tablespoon of salt. You let that sit for half an hour to 30 minutes, and then we drain it and put it into jars. That simple. Alrighty, this has been sitting for about 15 minutes. What we're going to do is we're going to wring out all the moisture into this bowl here and place our... it's not pulp, but the pieces of vegetable in there and the juice in here. So, you just keep going handful by handful until your whole bowl is empty. What you need to do, using a spoon or your fingers if they fit in your jar, my jar's just a little bit small, you need to push it hard down all the way to the bottom. Once you've pushed that all the way down to the bottom like so, you want to add the juice back in. Your juice is supposed to completely cover the top of your cabbage. However, mine doesn't quite do that. You can see maybe on the side there, yeah. It covers it there but not in the middle. So you have to make a salt brine solution. I just put like maybe not even half a teaspoon of salt in the water and a little bit of water, obviously. Now I'm just stirring to dissolve it. Whoops. Moving it around to dissolve it a little bit, and I'm going to add that in. Yep, that just about does it. Then what you want to do, take a Ziploc sandwich bag like this one and fill it with water. And then you need to somehow, oh dear, get it in the jar. Okay, then you need to put the lid on to seal it. That was an absolute shambles. Some of the water from my old bag leaked in, so that could affect things, unfortunately. But I've stolen a bag from something, and now we're going to put this in a cool, dark place for 5 to 6 days and hope I don't forget about it. And I will be trying it on my other channel, so I'll link it in the description if you want to check it out, and it'll be in the information card below. It's just my name, Aleisha. And yeah, I'll be trying it on there in 5 to 6 days. So be sure to check that out. I hope you've enjoyed watching. I hope you've learned how to make sauerkraut, hopefully. Follow the original instructions and definitely use a bigger bag. But other than that, we should be good. Please remember to like, follow, and subscribe. And yeah, comment down below what I should do next. Oh, also the bell icon helps a lot. Cheers, peace.